everybody. This is one of our frequently asked questions that I've been getting quite a few questions about, and so I'm going to try and explain it to you, and that is, how much is the 4.9 mil levy going to cost my household? And so what I want to do is show you how you can figure that out. We took $100,000 of a home, and the reason we used $100,000 is it's a little bit easier to multiply out. That $100,000 is what you would call the appraised value. So if you go onto the auditor's website, whether it be Hamilton County, Claremont County, or Warren County, get the appraised value. We're saying our appraised value is $100,000. If you multiply that by 0.35, that is going to give you what is called the assessed value. So if there's confusion between what's appraised value, what's assessed value, those are the two differences, but this is the formula you use. And then you're going to multiply it by the 4.9 mil, which is 0.0049 as a multiplier. So when I multiply that out, that's going to give me how much it's going to cost me annually, and that would be $171.48. And that is the annual cost of the 4.9 mil levy. What we did, the literature that we put out, and we wanted to get it out quickly so people had an idea what it meant, but if you divide that by 12, that's going to give you the $14.29 that you would pay monthly for a $100,000 home. The reason you'll see most districts in the state of Ohio auditor will say use $100,000 is it's a pretty easy multiplier. So if I had a $200,000 home, it's appraised at $200,000, I could double this annual cost, I could double this monthly cost, so that would give us, what, $28.58 if it's a $200,000 home, and so forth. So as one last example, let's say you have a $400,000 home, it's appraised, you go to the auditor's website, and it's the appraised value. You multiply that by 0.35, that would give you the assessed value, and then you multiply by 0.0049, that's going to give you how much it's going to cost annually, and that would be $686 annually. And then if you would like to know how much it is monthly, you divide that by 12, and that would be $57.17, and that is monthly. So if you look at why we used $100,000, for $400,000, what you would do is multiply this by 4, right? $100,000 to $400,000. So $171.48, if I multiply by 4, it's going to put you right at about $686, a little less. And then if you multiply this by 4, it's going to put you pretty close here. So that's why we use the $100,000 to try and make it easier, but it's easy enough for you to plug in your appraised value, multiply by 0.35, multiply by 0.049, that's going to give you your annual cost when it comes to the 4.9 mil levy. I hope that helped, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call me or email me at any time, and we can help you with that. Thank you.